Think you know your US road signs? Let's put your knowledge to the test. In this video, we'll cover 40 essential US road signs for driving test that every learner and licensed driver needs to know for the driving test. We'll quiz you along the way to see how many you can get right. Stick around until the end. It's the best way to fully master these signs and boost your confidence for test day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new quiz. Let's get started. Question 1. Guess this road sign. The answer is B. Pedestrians crossing. Question 2. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is C. Bicycle parking area directional. Question 3. What is this road sign? The answer is A. Interstate route marker, 2 digits. Question 4. Guess this road sign. The answer is C. Forest route. Question 5. What is this road sign? The answer is B. Crossroads with parallel tracks. Right. Which image shows a speedometer? Question 6. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is A. Golf cart. Question 7. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is B. Side road with parallel tracks. Right. If this US road signs guide is helping you prepare for your DMV driving test, tap that like button. It tells us that you want more US road signs tutorials and guide like this. Question 8. Identify this road sign. The answer is A. US bicycle route. Question 9. What is this road sign? The answer is C. US route marker, 2 digits. Question 10. Which road sign is this? The answer is B. Truck route sign. Spot the engine check warning lights? Question 11. Guess this road sign. The answer is C. Handicapped. Question 12. What is this road sign? The answer is A. State route marker, 2 digits. Question 13. Identify this road sign. The answer is B. Bear crossing sign. Which US road sign challenged you, and what would you like us to cover in the next session? Drop your thoughts and answers in the comments. We would love to see you succeed. Question 14. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is C. Bicycle route. Question 15. What is this road sign? The answer is A. Equestrian. Which road sign permits pedestrians in a designated area? Question 16. Guess this road sign. The answer is C. Park, ride. Question 17. Which road sign is this? The answer is B. Farm vehicles. Want more quizzes and study guides to stay sharp for your DMV driving test? Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out. Question 18. Guess this road sign. The answer is A. Combination junction, 2 route signs. Question 19. Guess this road sign. The answer is B. T intersection with parallel tracks, right. Question 20. What is this road sign? The answer is C. Flagger ahead. Guess the car logo. This logo belongs to the Nissan car brand. Question 21. Which road sign is this? The answer is A. County route marker. Question 22. Identify this road sign. The answer is C. Storage space symbol. Question 23. Identify this road sign. The answer is A. Interstate route marker, 3 digits. Know a friend preparing for their DMV written test or looking to sharpen their road signs knowledge. Share this video with them. You might be the reason why they pass their driving test. Question 24. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is C. State or local bicycle route. Question 25. Guess this road sign. The answer is A. Parking area. What is the red zone on the speedometer called? A. Rev limit, red line. B. Speed limit zone. C. Maximum fuel range. The answer is A. Rev limit, red line. Question 26. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is C. Snowmobile. Question 27. What is this road sign? The answer is B. Side road with parallel tracks left. Question 28. Guess this road sign? The answer is A. Interstate route marker with state, 2 digits. Question 29. What is this road sign? The answer is B. Crossroads with parallel tracks left. Question 30. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is C. Deer crossing. Name this car part. This is the radiator of a car. Question 31. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is A. T intersection with parallel tracks left. Question 32. What is this road sign? The answer is B. U.S. route marker, 3 digits. Question 33. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is A. Horse-drawn vehicles. Question 34. Identify this road sign. The answer is C. Light rail activated sign. Question 35. Guess this road sign. The answer is A. Bicycle and pedestrians. Which car brand is represented by this logo? It belongs to Lamborghini. Question 36. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is C. Low ground clearance railroad crossing. Question 37. Identify this road sign. The answer is B. Workers. Question 38. Identify this road sign. The answer is A. Emergency vehicle. Question 39. Guess this road sign. The answer is C. Low clearance. Question 40. What is this road sign? The answer is C. Off interstate route marker, 2 digits. If you want to keep practicing and be ready for test day in no time, hit that subscribe button on your screen for more quizzes and driving tips every week. Click one of the videos on your screen to keep learning and test yourself even further. Stay safe and see you in the next one.